Artoonza.
Wait, did you know the letter H is secretly a house? That's right, future architects and coloring geniuses. Today we're turning the letter H into an epic house because letters secretly have magical powers, obviously. Give us your like. We're grabbing markers, sprinkling glitter, vacuuming up the mess with a tiny naughty vacuum, and even using acrylic paint syringes. Oh, and here's the part that will get me in trouble. I use nail polish to color. Shh. Please don't tell my mom. Are you ready to build the silliest, funniest, most glittery house ever? Give us a big thumbs up. Grab your brushes because we're breaking all the art rules today. Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Red, let's color together. Yellow nail polish. Don't tell my mom I did this. Blue. Snowy white. Shoo, go away. Mix it up, mix it up. That's enough. My hands are starting to shake. Color, color, color. This is so amazing. Who knew syringes could be used for painting? Doctors, don't judge me. I'm curing boredom.
Wow!
Color, color, color. When life gives you the letter H, build a house and make it fabulous. Color, color, color. Give us a big thumbs up. Color, color, color.
Super!
Smash that like button now. This is better.
Aw, so cute.
Red. Oops! If anyone asks why there's nail polish everywhere, let's just say art happened. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.